Hello, my good people. It's your boy J Puppy Marketing, right? Now, allow me to speak to someone from. I know this video is for you, right? Let's be honest. The current economy, it's in a bad shape. Like literally, it's bad. Understand? No jobs, no opportunities. Not necessarily for the youth, but no opportunities. Like it's crazy. It's really crazy. Understand? And today I just want to speak to someone somewhere. I don't know where you are, I don't know who you are, but all I know is this is for you. I know sometimes you feel like you just want to give up, you just want to let go, you just want to start afresh, like not start afresh, but you just want to let go of everything. Today I'm here to tell you that is not the solution. And you'll be like, yo, what are you saying, man? I've been, I know it's not easy. It's actually really crazy. And Kenya mimi naweza kuambia ni the tougher it comes, the tougher it should be. Understand? Something that comes easy goes easy. I don't know. There's a saying that inasemaga easy come, easy go. Understand? So I know you've been pressing on. You've been really hard on whatever you're doing. You've been really grinding towards it, but unapata things are not opening up. Things are like you feel like, man, vitu haziwork through. Understand? Don't give up. Don't give up. What I'll say is keep moving. Understand? Why? You see, when you wake up, kila siku unapoamka, it's a new day, it's a new opportunity, it's a new battlefield. God amekupatia uhai, amekupatia another chance for you to keep on moving, for you to keep on working hard. Sorry. Understand? God amekupatia opportunity uendelee. Understand? The minute you wake up, it's another chance God amekupatia uendelee. Understand? So giving up is not an option. Understand? Yeah, in fact, it should not be in your vocabulary. Sorry to say this, but I think not sorry, but it should not be in your vocabulary. Understand? I understand sometimes things are tough, things are hard. You battling, I don't know, depression, you battling, I don't know, lack of opportunities, you battling a lot of things. Understand? But doesn't mean you give up. Understand? Sometimes the good story are the stories for the people who kept on persisting, people who kept on. Successful stories, ukisikia hata mtu akupatia successful story yake, will be like, yo, okay. You understand? So it's every day, it's a new day, it's a new opportunity, it's a new way God amekupatia for you to fight whatever you're fighting. You understand? I don't know if you're getting. So me, what I would say is, don't give up. Don't give up. Keep on pushing. Najua sometimes ina feel like nimejaribu kila kitu, nimeenda beyond and above, but things are not happening. No. God, time your God man, waga crazy. Time your God ikikam tu ni hivyo tu na vitu zina happen. Time your God ikifika, it doesn't matter where you are, it will allocate you. It will allocate your location. It doesn't matter. Sijui unafanya nini, sijui uko wapi. Time ya God ikifika, vitu zina, we just find things na they just opening up. Things are just moving effortless. Understand? So hii jasho sahi you're going through, hii jasho sahi you're fighting, it's something great inakuja. Don't take it as if at hii ni punishment z. God anakuprepare for something great. Understand? God anakuprepare for something great. So take that opportunity, take that as a way to sharpen your skills, as a way God anaku, it's like nisemaje, you know, before a cake ikuje kwa display, there is a lot of process inapitia. Understand? Kuna hiyo kukandwa, kuna hiyo kuwekwa sijui amira, kuna upitishwe kwa oven, uchomwe, you understand? It's a lot before ikuje hapo kwa display. Understand? Don't be quick in coming to the display. Pitia hizo process zote. Understand? Because if you go through all those processes, I'm not saying that is you God sasa anakupitisha hizo vitu zote. No, God time is always the best. Trust me, ukipitia hizo process zote, even if, because this is life, kuna kupanda na kushuka. Hata ukishuka kidogo, you'll be realistic, utakuwa bado uko na hiyo, because unajua hii ni kitu kidogo. Understand? But success imekuja tu pa uko juu. Trust me, kushuka ni, you get. So what I'm trying to tell you is, it doesn't matter what you're going through right now. Trust the process. God, tell me, God is always the best. He's actually preparing you for something great, and you'll testify. I know, okay, I'm not a pastor, but I'm a man of God, you know. But what I know is, God's time is always the best. Keep pushing, keep grinding, keep moving. Whatever the part umechukua, ng'ang'ana nayo tu. It might take time, it might be unasema mazee kitu imekaa, but no, God bado haja decide. Once God ame decide, that's it. So leo I'm actually here to encourage you. I'm telling you this, keep doing what you're doing, keep moving, keep doing exactly what you're doing. You're not on the wrong path, you're not doing it wrong. It's just that time ya God haijafika. Be prayerful. Kila kitu unafanya, it doesn't matter ati sijui leo uko chini, ambia God thank you. Hey God, thank you for the life. Thank you God for kwenye umenifanyia. Thank you, leo nimeona hii siku. I know you have something greater for me. Thank you for ABCD, because uhai, God giving you this health, God giving you that opportunity to see the day, it's a fresh battlefield. Amekupatia na anajua, so amekupatia that battlefield. So go outside there, fight, don't give up, man. Fight. Yeah, keep fighting, man. Keep fighting, you know. Trust me, one day utaka chini uangalie useme the fight was worth, the struggle was worth. God was actually preparing me for something great. Understand? I believe time ya God. Keep doing what you're doing, keep believing, keep fighting. The direction umechukua nayo, I'm sure, and trust me, one day utasema testimony, utasema mazee, it was worth waiting, it was worth fighting for. So thank you for watching. If you love the video, kindly like, subscribe. Until we meet the next one, I appreciate your time. It's your boy J Poppy Marketing. Much love.